This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to the settings now. With the Roku powered and your remote in hand, press Home to open the main menu. Once there, move to Settings and choose Accessibility. That's where the screen reader control lives. You're doing this to stop spoken feedback so menus behave normally. Make sure you can see the menu focus as you navigate. If speech is speaking, follow the highlighted items. Once you reach Accessibility, you'll be ready to toggle the reader off. Now turn the reader off. In Accessibility, find Screen Reader and use the directional pad to highlight it. Press OK to open its options, then select Off. You'll hear a change as the voice stops. That confirms the setting. If navigation feels different while voice is on, move carefully and use Home to exit menus. Make sure the toggle remains set to off before leaving. Once done, navigate back to Home to test typical menu behavior without spoken feedback. Finish by verifying speech is gone. Press Home and open a couple of apps to confirm silence. If the screen reader still speaks, restart the Roku, power cycle, or use System Power System Restart. Also ensure your remote is paired and the software is up to date, because glitches can re-enable accessibility features. If issues persist, reset settings selectively or perform a factory reset as a final step, only after backing up preferences. Tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.